Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into AWS Budgets and how to create a budget for your AWS usage. This is a powerful tool to help you monitor your spending and avoid unexpected charges. Let's get started. 1. Accessing AWS Budgets. First, log in to your AWS Management Console and navigate to Billing and Cost Management. From the left-hand menu, click on Budgets. This is where you can create and manage budgets to track your AWS usage and costs effectively. Creating a budget. Click on Create Budget to start the setup process. Select Cost Budget as the budget type. This allows you to set a spending limit and receive alerts when approaching your budget. Set your budget name. To keep things organized, name your budget, e.g. My AWS Budget. Naming your budget helps you easily identify it later. Define budget scope. Choose your budget scope, whether you want to track costs for all AWS services or specific services. For this example, we'll monitor the overall AWS costs. Set the budget amount. For this tutorial, we'll set a fixed budget of $5 per month. AWS will alert us when we get close to exceeding this amount. Configuring alerts and notifications. To stay informed about your spending, set up alert thresholds. Add an alert at 60% of your budget. This ensures you get notified when spending reaches $3. Add another alert at 90% of your budget, for $50. This serves as a final warning before you exceed your allocated spending. Enter your email address so you receive notifications whenever these thresholds are met. Creating your budget. Once your settings are configured, review all details to make sure they align with your budget goals. Click Create Budget. AWS will start tracking your usage and notify you when your spending approaches your set limits. If needed, you can modify your budget or create additional ones for different AWS services. And that's it. You've successfully created your first AWS budget. Now, AWS will monitor your spending and send you alerts when you're nearing your set limits, helping you stay within budget and avoid unexpected charges. In the next lesson, we'll explore more strategies to optimize and control your AWS costs. Recap and next steps. We navigated to the AWS Budget section in the Billing and Cost Management console. We created a custom cost budget to track our monthly AWS spending. We set up budget thresholds at 40.7% and 90% to receive alerts when spending approaches our limit. Finally, we reviewed our budget and successfully created it. With your budget in place, you can now monitor AWS expenses and ensure you're staying within your limits. In the next lesson, we'll explore EC2 instance types and families.